So you come in like 30%, or is that 50%?
That's probably about 30%.
Oh, is it?
It's only a small notch. We go bigger sometimes.
Yeah.
And then, see how it's cleaning that up?
Yeah.
You might have steps in there, like all that.
Oh, yes.
That's all got to be cleaned out. So
Oh.
if the tree falls, it's going to fall on it or
Right.
off that way.
Yep, right.
Oh,
That was the tree.
that was that tree.
Imagine if your kids were playing down there.
Yeah.
I'll clean that up till it looks like that. So it's nice and, oh, I've still got a little one there, but
So you just clean it up. So you clean it up so it's a nice angle, eh?
so it's nice and clean. So when it goes down like that, it hits evenly
Right.
and not
Oh, yeah. So that's basically like is that called a step?
this is a scarf.
A scarf.
Yeah, those little ridges are your steps.
Right.
This is a scarf.
Right.
This whole thing is a scarf. Well, your one looks pretty good.
Yeah.
These are called wrinkles.
Hey.
These are called wrinkles.
So is that help with the angle where it's going to fall?
Yeah. This way.
Oh, right. So what was the point of that extra little cut? You
This
just- Yeah.
That weakens this side. So if you're going towards a fence, you can turn it.
Oh, right.
You can cut into that. If you do put it both sides, then if you put that and that on both sides, really it's do it on those sides.
Yeah.
Put the wing cup on them. Because they barber chair, what that means is about
Yeah.
6 meters from the tree, from a big tree.
Leave this tree might. So use my one to get it out.
Yeah.
Now we've got someone who knows what he's doing. Yeah, I was up about here, no good, eh?
Yeah, a little bit.
You want to go lower?
Always, when you're cutting a tree this quick, always start from the bottom side.
Right.
Finish from the top side. then if you have to run, then you all that special. If you're on the bottom side, it goes this way.
Yep.
I'll find out.
So that's called a, what's that called, a ball cut?
What we're doing is we're boring into that because it's so wide.
Yep.
The chain's so wide, I'll get it. So I'll cut it through here, I'll cut it like that.
Right,
It helps to take out the wood.
right.
So it's
Sweet.
Dad!
What? She's going. Just like that. When you know what you're doing. When you know what you're doing, it's simple, eh? When you know what you're doing, it's simple. Because I did exactly the same as you, but on that back cut, I obviously didn't get it right, and the blooming tree dropped on the.
I just saw it was leaning back probably.
Yeah,
Oh, the wind wasn't in your favour.
it was actually calm. Yeah,
Oh,
but you had the wind acting with you, against you.
see where I went in through with my blade there?
Yeah.
Coming through the centre.
So that helped.
So that cut all this wood here,
Yeah,
so that I could do that.
yeah, because
Come around the
you're technically the saw was too small, but you made it happen.